Hello, everybody. This is Ariella Yeager with Enfusen, and today I will be going over how to use our site audit tool. Now, if you're in our dashboard, make sure that your business is up at the top. I will be using Enfusen as default. And the next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to SEO and click in the middle for site audit. Now, this is exactly what you're going to see when you log into the screen. And this will automatically populate as soon as you set up your account. If you have not done that yet, make sure to watch that tutorial video first, and then you can come back to this one. But essentially what this is, what our site audit is a complete review of your entire site and how healthy it is, essentially. So as you can see at the top, this site audit crawled 411 pages. So that shows all 411 pages that you have. It's not all of the published pages, it's every single page your website has. And it also shows when it was last updated. So this was updated in September. So let's say you're a couple months into our platform and you log in and nobody's ran the site audit since you first created this account. You might want to go in and click rerun, and it will rerun the site audit to be exactly brand new. Or let's say that you make a lot of changes to your website, you'll then want to rerun the site audit so the current data and the health of the website is current and it's not old data. So the first thing we have here is we have 411 crawled pages, and this really just breaks down to what are healthy, what pages have things that are broken, what issues we have, how many redirects we have, and then pages that are blocked. So this is just a little breakdown, nothing to click here. It's just there for you to be able to see. And really the goal of this is over time to be able to get this healthy number higher. And then we'll go here to these 4 categories. So we have this total score. So this, our site score of Enfusen has a total score of 63%. And when you click full view report, it will show this right here. Automatically, when you come to this page, the full report is open. For instance, if we were to only go to the critical pages and we clicked this, it would change to the critical things. But let's go to full report first. So the first thing we have is everything here. So over here, we have the level. We have urgent, we have important, and we have critical. And then we have the issue. So some of the issues, and there are so many that could be on your screen, but some of them could be, we have external links that are broken. We have 3 pages that link to HTTP, which means that the wrong data is being shown or no data is being shown. We have 79 pages where the title tag is too long. We have a page with no H1, which is a big problem. We have 498 images that have no alt text. So these are all of the kinds of issues that you could have on your site. Again, there's so many, so I'm not going to go through all of them, but it's just showing you some of the issues that could be happening. It also shows you the date that the issue was found. So this was ran on September 19th, so that's the date that's going to populate. And then you have your status. And one thing you can do is you can filter through. So if you scroll down, we have everything that needs attention. So we have these. If we were to click on all, so all the problems that have ever been found, we can see that we have some that have been completed. And now it shows 0. So you want to make sure that you can filter that. You can show all the things that have been completed, so all the things you have fixed. And then we can go to needs attention, and we can go there as well. And we also have a search bar, but this is really here for the filtering and showing the status. So this is only showing things that are going to need fixed. And then the level. Another thing we can do is we can go to target URL issues. So we know that this is our target URL. You may have more than one target URL. That's almost always what's going to happen. But if you have set a URL to be a target, so a main priority, it will show up here. So this is a main importance. It shows the keyword of that URL. So for instance, for our blog post, the importance of marketing objectives and goals, our primary keyword is importance of marketing objectives, and we see 32 issues. Our rank is 2. We've had 172 visits. We have time on site, bounce rate, and if we had a conversion, it would show here. So this is showing any issues that we have with those target URLs. If you click this, it will take you to the URL profile, and all of the issues are outlined here. Title element is too long. Low text to HTML ratio. We need to optimize our content for time on site. So in the URL profile, you'll be able to dig deeper into these things. I'm not going to go through everything in this URL profile because we have an entire training video on that. So if you've gotten here, finish this video, but make sure to move on and watch the URL profile video if you haven't already. But that allows you to really dig into that URL. And then we have every URL issue. So here we can go all the way down and we can see all the URLs we have and every issue. So for instance, our blog post of 7 best practices of landing pages, you can see that there's 30 issues there, and we can click on it, view those issues, and dig into that. And again, we can filter through all of our urgent issues, our critical, and our important. And I know that seems like a big number, but almost all of those are completed. So if we go to needs attention, we have those there. And if you click on it, so that said, let's go back really quick. All right, let's go to site audit. And again, if we click on 9 external links that are broken, this shows all the 9 links that are broken. So it goes down. It gives you instructions and how to fix the issue. So for external broken links, either the links need to be modified if they are changed, or the links need to be removed if they are not working on those specific pages. You can visit that page. So it's going to take you there. That page is no longer found. And guess why? Because one of our links is missing. So that's really a great way to go through these tasks. We explain to you how to fix the issue. We list the issue. We give you every URL associated with that issue, and we allow you to go and see it. So again, if for some reason you need to see any history, you can click this button up here. And let's say you solve 100 issues. Okay, then what you want to do, if you make bulk changes like that, you can then rerun the site audit. It will update, and then when you go to your total score, those things will now be in the completed column. So that is our site audit tool. This is an amazing tool to allow you to show where your problem areas are, things that need fixed, because although some of these things, like 3 links to HTTP pages or 79 pages having too long of a title, although those may seem a little bit small of issues compared to your entire business, when these things start piling up, and when you have all of these issues, those things can really affect your SEO. It can affect all of your digital marketing strategies. So this tool is a great way to go in, fix as many issues as possible, so that way we can get this healthy score up, we can get your site audit score up, and that way you're back to a healthy website. And one thing too is when you go to the dashboard, your site audit score is always here. And if it has changed, let's say you fix some things and increases to 65, it will show that change in the previous score. So when you go to your dashboard, you're always going to see an updated site audit score, which can help you be accountable. If you have any questions or need any help with the site audit, make sure to reach out to our support team, and we will make sure to help you out. Have a great day.